Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use our new Text-to-SQL feature, or Text-to-SQL feature, that allows you to create custom queries without knowing SQL. The first thing to do is to navigate to a resource by clicking on the Resources tab and then on the data source that you want to use. On the left-hand side, you'll see your collections and any SQL collections you might already have. I'm going to click on Add with SQL Query. Here, I can make an SQL query. I can write it myself, or I can use our new Text-to-SQL feature. For my example, I'm going to create an SQL collection that tells me about the deals from the last 6 months with an amount of more than 10. So, in the text box I'll write a query to list deals ID, name, and status for records from the last 6 months with an amount of more than 10. Now I'll click to SQL, and you'll see that my custom query has appeared in the box above. Because this is an AI-generated query, you might have to make some adjustments. So, here it says that deal's name does not exist. I can delete that from the SQL query, and then to get the correct name, I can use the menu on the right to go to my deals collection and select deal's name. And there, it's entered correctly. Let's try it again. And okay, I have the same problem with start date. So I'll do the same thing. And there, it works just fine. I might also want to double check my date to make sure that's correct as well. Great, so this is all set up and I can save the collection. Now this collection is saved with the other collections in this resource. So if I want to use it, I can go to my app and then add a table and choose my resource, which is Jet Tables, and then choose this new collection. Great, and that's all there is to it. Hope to see you next time.